You keep rewriting the same prompt, and AI keeps giving you the same mediocre answer. Here's the fix. It takes 10 seconds, and it works on any prompt you'll ever write. Say you need a weight loss plan. You type, "I want to lose 10 pounds." You get something, but it's bland, generic, not quite right. Instead of rewriting it yourself, try this. Ask AI, "Rate this prompt on a scale of 1 to 10, I want to lose 10 pounds." Maybe it says 4 out of 10. Now you know there's room to improve. Ask, "What would make this prompt a 10 out of 10? AI tells you exactly. Add your activity level, food preferences, and daily schedule. No guessing. Done. Same task, completely different result in 10 seconds. Rate it, ask what's missing, let AI rewrite it. That's it. 3 steps. Works for emails, daily plans, health routines, English practice, anything. Try it on your next prompt right now and drop a comment. Did it actually help? If yes, like this video and subscribe. New real-life AI tip every week.